TubeBuddy is a powerful tool that helps me grow my YouTube channel and help my clients grow their own YouTube channels too. Now here are 5 reasons and 5 powerful features that you should be using in TubeBuddy. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now this video is sponsored by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is one of my all-time favourite plugin extensions for browsers. TubeBuddy is free to install for any browser. You can use it on Firefox and Chrome and many other. It has a mobile phone application as well, should you prefer to use your iPhone or your Android phone, and it will help you pick the best titles, descriptions, and search and suggest keywords and tags that you can use to help get noticed a little bit better in search. Also, should you wish to upgrade to a paid version where you want to do A/B thumbnail testings and stuff like that, there is a link in the description down below. If you use the code ALANSBuddy, you'll get 20% off. Now, I've been using TubeBuddy for around about 3 or 4 years, and there's 5 really powerful features that you should use to help boost your channel. Number 1, tag ranking. Now, when you're writing a good title, a good description, you can then amalgamate those into your tags. Now, how do you know that those tags are doing well? Well, once your video is published and it's up and running, you can go into your video editor, click edit, scroll down, and you'll see, hopefully, little green ranks next to your tags. What this is TubeBuddy has gone out of its way to do your own YouTube search and keyword research for you, and in a mode which doesn't take in your bias. It's in incognito mode. It will go and search out the rankings. Why is incognito mode more important? Well, it means that if you are searching from your computer, Google might favour your results and suggest videos that you are more likely to watch. So if you want a fair understanding of your own rankings and where your video is for most people, it searches in incognito mode, which basically goes, I'm completely unaware of who you are and your search history and your watch history. Let's see what kind of search results Google throws at you through YouTube accordingly, and then it gives you those ranking numbers so you know that they're more honest. You can then use those tags and those rankings to understand how well your video is doing, maybe tweak those tags to kind of make more relevant tags around that topic, and maybe dominate in a search result in that direction and that niche better. 2, and what it will do to help you dominate better is then when you put in your title and your description and maybe a few tags, it will start suggesting other tags underneath. You can very easily add these into your pool of keywords by pressing the little green plus button, or you can see what they are suggesting based on traffic and relevancy and maybe add a few more. That way, if you was dominating a specific keyword direction but you still had space for more tags, you can use these suggested tags to broaden the appeal of that video, including suggested tags that people have searched for to find that video should you be going back to an old video to revive it. Feature number 3. Now this is one that I find really helpful, especially for my clients. Now, some clients come to me and they want to refresh their own channel. They've already got some thumbnails or they've already got a branding idea, but they don't know how to tie them all together. Maybe you've been on YouTube for a fair while, you've got 50, 100, 200 videos, and you don't want to go back and edit all of the thumbnails just to bring them up into line, especially if you're just adding something small in the corner or some kind of branding. Now that is why this feature, the thumbnail overlay, will help you. I create a PNG, basically a see-through image, and that frame, you can then go into TubeBuddy, you can select that frame and select the videos you want to apply it to, and you can bulk add the thumbnail overlay frame onto your thumbnail. Or you can select them, so you can go through and go, okay, it's those 10, right? That way, if it doesn't have branding, you can match them all together, and you go from non-branded to branded. Looks much better. They're all, themes. Everyone then knows that those are all together. Great. Or should you have made a series, say for example, all of those videos were all about you going to Disneyland Paris and all of the others were about you going to Belgium or you cooking stuff, maybe you can go back and update them so all of the cooking stuff has a blue frame and all of the holiday stuff has a yellow frame, and you can simply collect all of them, and instead of going click, edit, upload, click, edit, upload, click, edit, upload, and changing every thumbnail, you could just use the overlay mass select all of them, mass overlay all of them, ta-da, you are done. 4. A/B thumbnail testing. Now this is a genius tool. Basically, when you create a thumbnail for a video, you upload it, you put it out there, no matter how much research you do, you can always stand to try and improve it. A/B thumbnail testing will help you improve your click-through rates on your thumbnail. So, let's say in this thumbnail, I'm here and I'm smiling and I'm pointing towards 5 YouTube tips or 5 TubeBuddy tips, right? That could be really, really good. But if I did a second thumbnail where maybe I have a dark background or the wording and the text here is differently, or I'm shocked rather than happy, that kind of thing, I can then put that thumbnail against the other one and it will switch it in and out for you. Why is that helpful? Well, if thumbnail 1 doesn't do as well as thumbnail 2 and thumbnail 2 gets more click-throughs, more subscribes, more views, then it's going to be able to tell you, and then you can continue to test and change until you find your ultimate thumbnail. Maybe you'll learn that that's the type of thumbnails that people want, and then you keep making more of that style of thumbnail. It improves your click-through rate, improves your watch time, it grows your channel, it might win you some more subscribers, and it might help develop your branding. And tip number 5, which once again can be a lifesaver for any small, medium or large YouTuber: mass edit descriptions. How many times have you made a video and then 4, 5, 6 months down the way, you want to change out a link, you want to add a playlist, or you've now got an online shop, you know, alanspicer.com/shop for t-shirts and hoodies and posters. Anyway, so let's say you open your shop at alanspicer.com/shop and you can't be bothered to go back through all of your old 190 odd videos, but you know it would make sense for you to put the link in there for people to find it. Not a problem. You can go into the TubeBuddy tool, you can click add, append, edit description, you can put in the line that you want to add, and then you can choose where you want to add it, above it, below, replace. So say for example you've got an old link that is no longer viable, or you want to swap it out with a new affiliate link, you can choose to find the word and replace it, or find a line and above it or below it add your new link. You then choose how many videos you want to add this link to, click do, and it will automate the change for you. And trust me, if you've got 190 odd videos and each time it was like click, edit, copy, paste, save, that's 10-20 seconds of your time times 190 times. That's hours, minutes of your day that you could be best served recording videos or binge watching Breaking Bad. At the end of the day, TubeBuddy is free. There is a link in the description down below. I highly recommend you go and check it out, and there'll be other TubeBuddy videos and tips and tricks and hacks on how to grow your channel in the playlist here. But that is why I suggest you use TubeBuddy. For more tricks and tips, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I go live. Go out there, start creating.